Good morning, Primary 2. Well, today we shall be looking at a different type of poetry, and they are called tongue twisters. So just imagine your tongue twisting, and that is the kind of poetry we're talking about. For this, we have to go to Unit 9, World Play Poems. You have to go to Oxford Anthology, page 94, and do the activities on Oxford Activity pages 92 and 93. So I'll go through it with you, okay? Tongue twisters. Look at her tongue all twisted together. She sells seashells by the seashore. A tongue twister is defined as a phrase or a sentence that is hard to speak fast, usually because of alliteration or a sequence of nearly similar sounds. So the words are very similar and you end up just making a mess. So you have to really practice when you try and recite a tongue twister poem. And here is our tongue twister. Night lights. There is no need to light a night light on a light night like tonight. For a night lights a slight light when the moonlight's white and bright. Wow, that was difficult to read. And here are a few others for you. How many snacks could a snack stacker stack? If a snack stacker stacked snacks. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. That's quite a famous one. Here's another famous one. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, how many pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick? And this one. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would as much as he could and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood. So let's go back and I want you to read it by yourselves now, okay? Read these out loud as well. Did your tongue twist? So now read and respond, okay? It says, answer these questions. Which light does the poet think is brighter? The night light or the real moonlight? So you have to go to the tongue twister poem and you have to try and find the answer, okay? And how would we answer this? We would say, the poet thinks the nightlight, if you think it's the nightlight, or the real moonlight is brighter. Okay? That's all you have to answer. Number 2, why isn't the why isn't the night light needed? And you would answer, the night light isn't needed because. Number 3, what are the 2 words that describe the moon's light? And you would write, the 2 words that describe the moon's light are blah, blah, okay? So there is no need to light a night light on a light night like tonight. For a night lights a slight light. Slight means very, very, very low light, okay? When the moon lights white and bright. B. Tick the box to show if each sentence is true or false. It is a dark night. Decide whether it's a dark night or not. The night light makes a bright light. You decide whether it's true or false. And the moon is bright and white. True or false. Once again, to get your answers, you must go to the page on the tongue twister poem. Word detective. So find the words in the poem that have the long I sound. So remember, the long I sound can be spelt in different ways. So we have I in high, I in cry, I in pie, I in find, I in ice. Okay? And you can notice that in this activity, they give you the first letter, okay? So the first letter is a word you have to look for. So you look for them. I know you'll be able to do this. Now add the correct letters to make other words with the I sound. Okay? So remember, the I sound can be written in many different ways. So you can see over here, the I sound can be IGH, Y, IE, I, or IE, okay? So think about which letters you're going to put in there.